What's the meaning of cultivate? Cultivate. Cultivate.
Cultivate. Cultivate. The term cultivate refers to the act of preparing and nurturing something for growth and development. This can apply to a wide range of contexts, including agriculture, personal growth, or building relationships. The result of cultivation is often increased productivity, enhanced skills or knowledge, improved physical or mental health, or stronger connections with others. Through cultivation, individuals and communities are able to harness their potential and achieve greater success and fulfillment in their pursuits.